I went into medicine and decided that surgery is the most interesting out of the medical field for me,
Right.
because it actually was very gratifying to correct problems. We never really cure anything, but we try to help the patients live the rest of their lives without the symptoms of disease.
Well, I could tell you straight up, I haven't had any throbbing. And I'm going to jump to this, and I'll go back a little bit later. But what exactly with the vein stripping? Because that's what I had. Um, what exactly was the throbbing feeling that I was getting?
Basically, the problem that you had was that the veins were not functioning well,
Right.
the way the veins were meant to function, and it was backing up like a plumbing system or a sewage system. It was just backing up, causing swelling and discomfort. And what we did was remove the pressure from that and decrease the pressure and the pain that you had.
I I'm sorry, but like I told you, I find it mind-boggling that the human body can actually function without something that, like, you hear, like, someone has the appendix out, the spleen out, anything like that, or kidney, and still go on, no problem. Those are organs, okay, but veins are like meant to be there. I mean, it's mind-boggling to me that the body can just still keep functioning without any problems from that.
Yeah, that's one of the most amazing things about the human body, is that the human body has built into it all kinds of backup systems. So if one vein system or an artery system doesn't function well, another system takes over. So there's a whole series of backup systems within the body, which is amazing, from the veins to even the lungs. That's why you have two lungs, you have two
Right.
kidneys. You always have an out if there's a problem with one part of your body.
Sometimes I wish I had two crews, you know that, because sometimes this crew just doesn't work for me. Um, so what led you specifically to go into vascular? Out of anything in the body, what was it about vascular? It's interesting to me, and I'm a schmuck.
Well, it began with the fact that I was very much interested in the way the body worked and how it functioned. And, I was kind of greedy. I wanted to be part of the healing process of the whole body. So the
Right.
vascular surgeon is involved with really the blood vessels throughout the entire body, whether it's the neck arteries supplying the blood flow to the brain, the leg arteries supplying blood flow to the calves and your walking abilities, etc., or whether it's the main artery, which is the aorta, which can cause uh, death if not treated
Right.
in a timely fashion if the blood vessel becomes diseased.
Wow. Now,